This is the install of shame right here. I really appreciate it.
Go online, go service.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot. It's 2020. No one goes in to buy groceries anymore. You gotta order them online. No one has time to go do that. I tried to tip them once here for doing that, you know? He's like, please don't. And I'm like, look, I'll just, he's like, we're not allowed to accept tips. And I was like, all right, well, just look away. I'll throw it in your buggy thing. He goes, please don't do that, sir. I will be legally required by my job to go take it to customer service, and then they just donate it to a charity. They're not allowed to receive tips. If they get a tip, they have to take it to customer service because he said they watch them on the camera to get tips.
Yeah, because they're getting paid. This is just part of the job description of Walmart.
But like, you know, it's like the thing.
It's a super center.
All right, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So here, really quick, is the lowdown for the day. Since we are not trucking anymore in the hotshot field, as you guys seen on the last video, it is time for wheels and tires. Middle of winter here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Probably not the best time to put wheels and tires on your truck, salt, or whatever, we're doing it. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but with trucking, I couldn't do it because obviously I was running commercial, and if you got a big old wheel sticking out of the wheel well, DOT wouldn't like that too much. Mother of God. We were on Facebook Marketplace. I'm still old school Craigslist. I haven't been on my Facebook page in like 2 years. I had to like figure out my passwords to get on there. So anyways, long story short, we're on Facebook Marketplace real quick. We found a set of wheels. Potentially we found a set of wheels. We're gonna go check them out. Hopefully we can make a deal happen because like I said, it's time to get wheels on the truck. It's been too long. We gotta do it. Let's go. Made it. He's rocking a white Platinum. Look, check that out. I'm not gonna, use the camera because that's sus to just jam a camera in someone's face. We're gonna go try to make this deal happen. All right, we made the deal happen. I'm not gonna show you them yet. We're gonna fast forward to tomorrow morning. Obviously, it's dark.
What are you doing, bro?
All right, seriously though, on a real note, let's get serious here. Like, quit screwing around. It's the next day. We ran out of daylight last night when we picked up the wheels. Oh my God, are they sick? I'm pumped. I couldn't do this before because of the gas field, because of hot shotting, because the DOT officers will not like big wheels and tires on the truck, obviously. Mother of God. So if you guys caught my last upload, we're done hot shotting. We're out. We out. I'm gonna head out. We're done. We're going full-time YouTube, full-time with the website, full-time for you. And anyways, we got the wheels, and it decided to get freezing today. It's literally 30 degrees. It was 55 last night. It was 55 at like 8:30 at night last night. Woke up this morning, 30 degrees. Cool. Real nice. Awesome. Pittsburgh. Thumbs up, bro. Mother of God. All right, guys, here's what we got. We got a 24 by 14 Cali Off-Road Summit polished with a amp 35 by 1350 R24 MT. Found these on old Facebook Marketplace. My first ever Facebook Marketplace buy. I'm pumped about it. I'm super pumped. Look how sick this is gonna look. This is gonna look absolutely incredible. This is the winter set. We have a super sick set of wheels and tires in the works for summer. But like I said, as soon as we're done trucking, I needed to get something on the truck. It's been long enough. I had the truck since 17, and it's just been stock, right? I had to get some wheels. Went on Marketplace. Bam, found them. They were about an hour away. Dude's name was Corey, so that's cool. He drove a Platinum, that's even cooler. And he was a follower, which is the coolest. So, yeah, there they are. They're gonna look super sick. We're gonna throw one on just to give you guys a sneak peek. Let's do it. What? Okay. Man. Lugs aren't going on.
What?
Whoa. We got the wrong lugs. That is a huge letdown. These are 100% wrong. Like the thread count's way off. Check this out. You guys see the thread count in the stock factory one? And look at the thread count in the new one. Completely different. This is a 14 by 2.0. This ain't even close to that. Check this out. Ford F250, 2017. M14 by 2.0. Right? This is what it says. Look, car ID. I just did a quick Google search. 2017 F250 lug thread. Ford F250 17. Thread size 14 by 2.0. We got a nice Mr. Lug Nut install kit. M14 by 2.0. You guys see that? Dude, we're totally screwed. Upon further research, 2003 to 2020 F250 F350 takes a 14 by 1.5 thread pitch. Google totally. Oh my dude, I'm so. I really wanted to put these on today. Well, guys, there's a rough look. I mean, they're not on. There's no lug nuts, but they're somewhat on. I mean, it's kind of not square on the actual hub, but oh my god, these are gonna look sick. They only got like, they're under 300 miles on them. We picked them up and they are gonna be awesome. So there you go. There's what we got. I mean, we're obviously not putting them on today. We got the wrong size lugs. What a letdown. That was my fault. That was my fault yesterday. I should have done a little bit more research into the thread pitch size. I just hurried up and did a quick Google search and ordered them real quick from our distributor, and they come in a day. But of course today we're not going to have them until tomorrow. So
It's a sad day.
it's a sad day, but I'm pumped because I mean, look, we had the back one ready. We're ready to put these on.
Damn it.
I don't know. So I mean, this just means that you guys are going to have to tune in tomorrow to see the wheels on the truck because of idiot myself ordered the wrong size lugs. I'm gonna kind of blame that one on Google, but no, I mean you can't blame anyone for your own problems. I should have done more research. I should have ordered the right size. So there you go. We ordered an M14 by 2.0. I think that's the dually thread count for the lugs. So anyone out there that needs a 14 by 2.0 lug set, the tall spline drive, Mr. Lug Nuts, they got valve stems, and they got the key, and they got the actual lugs. It's a 32-piece set, 8-lug kit. If you guys need one, shoot me a message in the comments. Comment below why you need some lugs. I'm going to pick one of you guys. I'm going to send you a lug set. If you need one, there you go. If you don't need one, maybe you just want it to
Comment and ask.
Always torque your nuts. Oh, man. That was a real letdown. But alright guys, I mean, here's the wheels. Cali Off-Road Summit polished 24 by 14 amp 35 1350 24 MT. These things are huge. I super pumped for this. These things are gonna look epic. And there you go. We got the wheels. They're here. We're in the garage. Huge letdown. We didn't get to put them on, but we got lugs coming. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're gonna do the whole, will the 24 by 14 with a 35 1350 fit on a stock ride height F250? I really want to make it work. I really like the low look with the full fender. You know, so there might be some serious modifications to make it work, but we're gonna try to make it happen. So tune into tomorrow's video, and guys, do not forget, hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the wheels. And guys, this is a community thing here. This is a diesel community, so comment your wheels and tires below, what you guys are running, what you guys think, you know, what's a good mud tire, what do you guys think of these amp tires if anyone are running them out there. I want to see what you guys are working with, and it'll help some other people that are cruising through the comments. They might get some good information out of there. But alright, that's it. I'm starting to ramble. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Peace.